Snipe Squad,
it's the boy Big Holla in the building. Y'all already know what's going on.
Hey, Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Fresh Cut Jones in the building. And hey, look, bro, we about to head out to my favorite spot I like to go to whenever I'm out here in Gwinnett. Cause it's hold up. We're going outside. All right, now we outside. Okay, the mask is on. And as I was saying earlier, we about to go to one of my favorite spots, the taco spot that I love to talk about all the time. And I'm hearing a lot of y'all is going to the taco spot because I'm dropping these gems, but ain't nobody shouting me out. The next time you go to the taco spot, you gotta show love to me and Holla because I mean we putting y'all on. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of y'all don't know, Holla has 2 cars. So we in his second car right now. Do you care to explain to tell the people how you out here with 2 cars?
All right, so this is what happened. You know
I'll tell you how. I'll wrap it up for you. Holla paid, and when I say paid, I'm talking about yeah, we paid. Holla paid is his second whip, so I'm gonna call him 2 Whip Shouted. 2 Whip Shouted. Talk to him, 2 Whip Shouted. Yeah.
All right, how you doing?
Hey man, look, boy, I'll tell you what, man. The day I get 2 whips, man, you can count on your boy Sniper Jones probably. You know what I'm saying? Pulling up in the Lamb or something. Right now we riding a Dodge. That boy got a Dodge on top of Toyota. Hey, you really doing big things, bro.
We going to Iron Age tomorrow. Now, if y'all ain't never seen us eat at Iron Age, it's a Korean steakhouse. But I'm gonna tell you about. Did I ever tell you the story about what happened on my birthday? Mike took me to dinner.
I offered to pay for dinner that night, bro, and you told me no because your girl was paying for it.
Yeah, that was Iron Age. Okay. Mike took me to Fogo de Chao.
Okay.
And boy, them lamb chops.
I don't know, you know what I'm saying? All I know is I never had lamb chops in my life, and I don't even know how we started talking about lamb chops. But what I can talk to y'all about, my new channel, Sniper Jones TV, which I'm giving like 1,000% of my energy to. Huge shout out to everybody who was over there showing love to my most recent post. If you guys have not seen my most recent upload, I did my first NBA workout in 5 years. And a lot of y'all was like very supportive and showed a lot of love over there. Really like more love than I'm kind of used to. So if you haven't watched that and you want to check it out, check it out. I'm also uploading. Hopefully I'll be uploading from here. Hopefully we can find a gym to upload more on Sniper Jones TV over here on this side.
I mean, we got this basketball court down the street. It's outdoors though, in a single room.
I mean, yeah, so we probably gonna create some more content, some more basketball content out here. And you know what I'm saying, just keep dropping bangers over there at that channel. But in the meantime, in between time, my
matter of fact, let me know down below if y'all want to see Snipe Jones play a D1 player tomorrow, because I can get one on the line.
I mean, it's not, I ain't never ducked no fades. I'm not known for ducking no fades, but I think I'm still gonna probably be doing some reaction stuff on that channel. But this channel, hey, look, I got some bangers coming on this channel too, so stay tuned. I'm hungry though, so let's get something to eat. I'm out. Hey, a lot of y'all probably don't know is I actually put Holla on in this spot. See, Holla didn't even know about this spot until one day my man told him about it, and he came.
Yeah, you right. It was that day I put you on Raw Wave. Remember? You know what I'm saying? I was like, hey, listen, whoa, now you.
If y'all believe,
flexing not funny no more.
If y'all believe he introduced me to Raw Wave, y'all not my real ones, bro. Oh, y'all already know what's next. Y'all already know what's next. That's when the box come out. And I'll show y'all how amazing these tacos look, you know what I'm saying? I've been trying to put Holla on to the cheese. For some reason, he don't like cheese on his tacos, bro. I can't eat tacos without cheese, I'm not gonna cap. Cheese is essential for me. Woo! My God. I just wanna cry, bro. These are good eats. Good eats, bro, and my cat. Okay, that's, I mean, hey. The horchata on the side, you gotta do it right. The lime's over here in the corner. It's about to go down.
Alright, listen, we made it to the end of the video. Now, I figured these shoes weren't, you know what I'm saying, recent enough for y'all to actually pull up and look at this video because of this shoe. So we had to throw a little bit of vlog in there. We went and ate tacos. Tacos on the scale of 1 to 10.
Oh, that was 10.
That was a 10, bro. I ain't had them joints in a minute. Shout out to Rona. You really been you've been patting my pockets because my girlfriend ain't been able to spend more money. But
you got a new purchase, bro.
Yeah, I got a new purchase. As y'all seen, we have some Nikes right here. Now these were gifted to me by Retro Rico. But I want y'all to guess. You know what I'm saying? You know what's in here, right?
I do.
I'm gonna give y'all 3 seconds to comment down below what you think this is. 3, 2, 1. You took too long. All right, listen. We got the Royal Toes. All right, listen. Let me tell you a little bit.
Hey, Holla getting fly on the. Y'all sleeping, man. Holla really is getting fly on the.
Bro, I got these. I got the Air Force Ones, the G Fazos.
G Fazos. You got the Columbia 11s.
I got a Columbia 11s. I got the Nike Day Air Max.
Yeah, now you gonna like the ones too when you put them on.
So I put them on once.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It was a little tight around the top of my foot.
Now we probably know why you tried to steal my Travis Scotts.
What you said? What?
Yeah.
Steal?
Yeah, steal. As y'all know, Sniper Jones TV is one bringing all the basketball content. So it's only right I start buying new basketball sneakers.
Yes,
What's very
sir.
funny is I got like 300. No, not 300. How many shoes do you think I got, bro?
Probably
So,
like 170.
You're right. So I got like 170 pair of shoes. But when I actually did the math, bro, I had like 2 pair of basketball shoes. Now I know a lot of people saying like, bro, any shoe is a basketball shoe. Like, I can hoop in a Jordan.
Yeah.
I'm talking about actual basketball performance shoes.
You know what I'm hooping in tomorrow?
What?
My Royal Toes.
No, I don't know. So like those are technically basketball sneakers, but when I think basketball sneakers, I'm talking Kyrie's, Steph Curry's, James Harden, Damian Lillard's, shoes like that.
Yeah,
so
shoes about like my players you want to play like. So
yeah.
You notice he ain't mentioned Chris Paul, but go ahead. Continue.
Chris Paul is my favorite player.
Continue.
He got an ugly shoe. I'm sorry, Chris Paul, he got an ugly shoe. But look, that's not the point. The point is I had to go find me something to rock for like the new upcoming videos and just to support the hobby. So this is the newest package I got from Sniper Jones. I just remembered, bro, I don't have a knife. But don't even worry about it. I think UPS tried to steal my box and it's halfway open.
Yeah, they tried to look at it.
They tried to see what it was. So you know what, UPS, man, I'm not even gonna press no
they
charges.
definitely opened that shit.
Yeah, they opened it, bro. What if it's another pair of shoes in here, bro? When I say, hey, bro, I ain't about to play no games. If there's another pair of shoes in here, in this box, I swear to God.
Yeah, these shit used.
Nah, I can't. So, hey, look, what a lot of people don't know, everybody know my favorite player, but a lot of people don't know my favorite up-and-coming player.
Is Donovan Mitchell.
Donovan Mitchell.
Let's go, Spider-Man.
So Donovan Mitchell is like my favorite up-and-coming player. Y'all know he played for Utah Jazz, and he just recently signed a deal with Adidas, and he has his very own.
Oh, and it's like
sneaker.
a Spider-Man.
Yeah.
That's fire.
Yeah, so it's fire. And actually, the first sneaker he ever had was a Spider-Man colorway sneaker. Yeah, and I was with Unbreakable when he picked that shoe up. Why did Unbreakable pick up a Donovan Mitchell basketball shoe? I have no idea.
Break like Unbreakable.
Yeah.
Hips.
Yes, bro. We was like in Cali, and he went in Finish Line, and he picked up a pair of these, the Spider-Man colorway. And I'm like, yo, bro, I really wanted a pair of these to hoop in because I really like Donovan Mitchell, and this shoe was fire. So I finally
be fire, bro.
I know, I love them.
How much are they?
They were $70.
Nick, what?
$70.
Where's my StockX at? Hold on. I'm about to.
No, wait. Let me explain.
Are they actually $70?
So I got them on a discount due to like a person that works for a certain store that looked out for me. The retail price for these are like $100. The Don issue ones, and what I like about Donovan Mitchell stuff is Don don't stand for Donovan Mitchell. It stands for determination over negativity. So the Don issue. This is one, and it's the first one. Yeah, matter of fact, say right here, determination over negativity.
Yeah.
So let's open these up and
you
see.
read that better than you read those what are they, Limitless?
Oh yes,
Fear Limits.
The fearless ones.
Yeah.
They come with a card. Boy, I was Floyd Mayweather, boy. I was Floyd Mayweather, but here we have it. These are the Adidas Donovan Mitchell Spider-Man joints. This is like a blue, white, black, and yellow colorway. I watched a lot of basketball reviews on this, whether it feels like wear testers, other people that talked about this shoe. They said it was like a great indoor shoe. They said it was decent outdoor. No, actually a great outdoor, decent indoor. But I said I'm gonna take my chances. These look very long. I probably should have got them in like an 11.5. Yeah. I'm not really sure what the sizing like. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the sizing like. But y'all know I will be doing like a performance review of this shoe coming soon.
1v1 versus Holla uploading tomorrow. Okay, on Sniper Jones TV. So make sure y'all head over there and hit that sub button if you want to see a man's get dropped off.
By the way, also, matter of fact, let me fix this camera, bro. It's kind of tall. Yeah, hey, by the way, also, this is like my first time ever hooping in an Adidas shoe.
Really?
I've literally always hooped in a Nike shoe, whether if it was a Kobe, a LeBron, KD, even if it was just like a Huarache, bro. I've never hooped in an Adidas shoe ever.
Huaraches are hooping shoes?
Yeah, they had like earlier and like before they had thought shoes where everybody they actually had hooping shoes like Flight Reacts hoops in Huaraches every time. Comment down below, let me know about your thoughts. What are you hooping in right now if you do play basketball? As of right now,
these look like them shoes that Chaz was hitting you up about.
no, it was
They
Pumas.
ugly.
Oh, yeah, you don't like them? Hey, I like these. I like these a lot. I think they look a lot better on foot. They kind of like smushed
I think
down,
it's just this, the zebra thing down here is kind of throwing me off.
Yeah.
If this was like a solid color, I'll rock them.
Yeah.
But since they not.
I like them, man. I like them. I'll tell y'all how they feel on the actual review.
You know what they do look better than, though?
What?
Them Yeezys you brought up over here.
Bro, those Yeezys were the worst investment I ever made in my life. And I actually still have them for whatever reason. I forgot I even had them until you brought it up. I'll buy so many shoes, I forgot I even had them. They probably somewhere just piled up somewhere. I can't take no more, man. I'm going to catch up with y'all. It is your boy, Snapper Jones. And until next time, you already know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all.
Hey, hold on. Before you go, if this channel's not to 100K by December, listen, I seen his analytics, and a lot of y'all be watching these videos and y'all not subscribed. So let me tell you something. I have a special set of skills. And, I will find you.
Hey, man, y'all be safe out there, man. I'm out.